Burnout isn't a badge of honor. It's a red flag. And if you're ignoring it, like I did for a long time, you might be closer to burnout than you even think. But here's the truth. You don't have to sacrifice your well-being just to earn income. There is a better way. And these are the 3 shifts that helped me to find it. Shift number 1, learn how to automate. The first thing I did was stop trying to be everywhere, doing everything 24/7. It burns you out. I found a system that automated the parts that did drain me, like chasing people, pitching, and following up constantly. It gave me back time, something burnout steals from you very slowly. Shift 2, simplify what you offer. I used to overcomplicate everything. I thought I had to do more to be seen as valuable, but I realized clarity sells, not depth of everything. When I focused on one clear ethical offer, my stress dropped and my confidence went up. Shift 3, find mentorship. I stopped trying to figure it all out alone. And that was a huge breakthrough for me and many others. Having guidance, a path, a real community helped me avoid wasting more time, energy, and money on things that really didn't work at all. I didn't need another job. I needed a system that fit my life. And in part 3, I'm going to walk you through the exact structure I use now. The framework that not only supports my business, but it supports me. Because burnout doesn't just go away. It needs to be replaced with something better. Drop, shift if one of these hit home for you. And if you missed part 1, go watch it. That's where the truth starts with this mini series I'm doing. Stick around for part 3. The peace is in the system.